part of the open break steps in salsa. Now this is called the open break cross body step. So if you notice, generally when we are doing the basic cross body, I will always move my left leg forward and guide it towards my left. So that's the basic cross body for a basic step. Now if I am doing an open break cross body step, I will always move her back, move my left leg back and move her across. And then 5, 6, 7. So always remember, whenever you are moving your left leg, especially the lead, you are moving your left leg back, you are giving an open break, make sure that you are crossing the step, crossing her here. And then go 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'll do the basic cross body again, bring her to this side. And now we can use different combinations on this step. So the other very common Cuban salsa combination is, so we go 1, 2, 3, I'll move her 5, 6, 7. So she moves back by just pushing her hand. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and then go back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then you can also do a hammer lock combination. So basic step is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm opening that 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Followed up with the left turn 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Always remember, if you're doing any locks on this open break cross body step, you will always be completing it with the left turn after you finish. So I'll do the hammer lock step again. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and then go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, okay? So I'll do another combination of a double lock, cross body turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I go 1, 2, 3. Both the hands will go up. 1, 2, 3. Followed by a left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Do the cross body at the lady here again. 5, 6, 7. You can do a lot of combinations on this step also, on the double hand cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, go down and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'll repeat it for all the steps from the opposite side. So we go here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. First one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hammer lock. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Followed by a left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Across body again. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Followed by a double lock. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So hope you like these basic salsa steps which you can do at social events. And stay tuned in for some more videos that will be coming in later on more detailed videos on basic steps. Thanks for watching.